Fairfax County's efforts to save our streams and manage stormwater is really making a splash in the community. Due to rapid development since the early 1950s, stormwater runoff from developed areas quickly makes its way to our streams, carrying pollutants and excessive nutrients and causing stream banks to erode. The Department of Public Works and Environmental Services works hard to protect and improve the county's water quality, but rainwater runoff from hard surfaces and lawns is still a challenge. Often, the best way to ensure cleaner water is to restore streams to prevent erosion and reduce pollution in our waterways and the Chesapeake Bay. Stream restoration can improve habitats for plants and animals by adding native plants, floodplain wetlands, and improved water flow. Stream restoration is the most effective way for the county to meet state water quality requirements while adding long-term benefits for trees and forests. Stable stream banks help prevent erosion and tree loss. Storm flows reach floodplains. Floodplains slow water flow, trap sediment, and hydrate wetlands. Clear trees are used to improve habitat in the stream and floodplain. Dense native plantings increase biodiversity. Invasive species are controlled for about 3 years after completion of a stream restoration project. New trees and shrubs provide shade. Their leaves and debris form the foundation of the stream's food web. Stream restoration projects follow guidelines in Engage Fairfax County to ensure community involvement. For more information, visit our website or email Public Works and Environmental Services.